Want to supercharge your Zapier automations with the power of custom code and external services? Let's find out if you can actually make API calls directly from within your Zapier apps. The short answer is yes, you absolutely can, and it unlocks a world of possibilities. Zapier offers tools that allow you to extend its built-in functionalities by making requests to external APIs. The key is using the Code by Zapier step. You'll find it when setting up a Zap. Search for Code by Zapier, and then choose either JavaScript or Python, depending on your preference and coding knowledge. Within the code step, you'll write the code that makes the API call. You'll need to include the API endpoint URL, any necessary headers, and the request body if you're sending data. For example, if you want to send data to a custom CRM, you would format your data as JSON and include it in the request body. The code step handles a communication with the API. Don't forget to define the output keys in your code. These outputs will be available to use in subsequent steps of your Zap, passing the data received from the API along your workflow. Use cases are endless. You can enrich data, create custom records, trigger actions in external systems not directly supported by Zapier, and so much more. So, go ahead and explore the power of API integration in your Zapier apps. It's a fantastic way to customize your automations and connect to virtually any service with an API. Happy zapping!